Hello, sir. Good afternoon. I welcome you on behalf of College Dunia. So, before we start this session, I would request you if you can quickly introduce yourself and what is Shankaracharya Raipur is all about. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Gurpreet Singh Chhabda, head of the Department Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, and also heading the research lab of PhD Center. I have 16 years of teaching experience. I have done PhD with deep learning I have done PhD with deep learning specialization. Currently, I am working with Sri Shankaracharya Institute of Professional Management and Technology, Raipur. My research area includes artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. About SSIPMT, SSIPMT has created a unique atmosphere of educational excellence in the Chhattisgarh state. The institute was established in the year 2008 in Raipur with due approval from All India Council of Technical Education, AICTE, New Delhi, and affiliated to Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekanand Technical University, CSVTU, Bhilai. Our institute is lavishly spreading over 17 acres of lush green and pollution-free environment. It's been 13 years since SSIPMT has evolved. We have a lot of achievements. Some of them are NB accreditation, NAAC grading, ARIA ranking, and many more. SSIPMT is considered one of the premier institute in Chhattisgarh. Recently, we have an Idea Lab from AICTE, and SSIPMT is proud to have achieved extraordinary university results all these years since its inspection in 2008.
Thank you, sir. Great. So, here is my first question for you, sir. Sir, you have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. What keeps you connected with the education sector, and how has your experience been so far with the institute, sir? Over to you, sir.
Sir, as education spreads awareness, it helps us stand up against wrong and for the right. It gives us a healthier lifestyle and help us to be more productive. The key factor that keep me connected with the education sector are constant learning and updating the knowledge with the recent trends. Teaching and research are my passion. After my graduation, I have been associated with the education sector. As an educator, I don't just teach students, but also keep myself upskilling and learning the current trends. I am privileged to be connected directly with the field of education. Here in SSIPMT has a great ecosystem that provides ample opportunities to support fast learning through regular activities such as workshop, guest lectures, interactions, and many more. And above all, here the stakeholders give time-to-time encouragements as well as through rewards and monetary benefits. This institute is a great place to work and the best environment to be associated with. For students, it's one of the best engineering colleges in the state where they can experience the blend of best practices of industry along with the best performing academic environment. So,
great, sir. Great, sir. So, my next question for you is, sir, do you have any extracurricular activities program to enhance the skills of the student or expose them to the real world challenges, sir? Over to you, sir.
Yeah, of course, we do have many such programs and activities so that students can not only have great academic experience in the institute, but also improve their life skills such as teamwork, cultural involvement, social skills, time and resource management, sense of commitment, and understanding of new perspectives. We organize some gaming contests, various NCC and NSS activities such as blood donation camp, plantation drive, cultural and artistic competitions. Students are also actively involved in college level celebration of festivals. Sports activities such as cricket tournaments along with the other indoor outdoor sports activities are held. Colleges functions are always mainly organized and managed by students. Apart from their regular syllabus, students in the institute are highly encouraged to participate in their stream related activities such as drone, robot building, coding competitions, hackathon, and movie making, and so on. So,
Oh, great, sir. Great, sir. So, my next question for you, for you is, sir, how does the curriculum of Shankara Raipur ensure that the students are being prepared for the future? Sir, over to you.
we can speak with full confidence that SSIPMT ensures that our students are being prepared for future. We are giving them all possible opportunities to grow. We are sure that they get many opportunities in our campus to get placed after they pass out from this institute and placed into MNCs. It includes Infosys, TCS, Persistent, Tech Mahindra, Intel, and a lot of organizations in which people dream to be placed of it. We help students with their placements by providing them all the required training, communication upskilling, mock interview drive, along with arranging their interaction with their placed seniors and other experienced and successful people from various institutes and companies. Higher education is another field where our students are performing their best. We have students around the globe where they are making us feel proud. Our students are in government sectors as well as they are qualifying GATE, NET. Our students are nowhere lacking behind in the current scenario. We keep them up to date with the technology, training, and knowledge through which they don't feel embarrassed whenever they are moving out of Chhattisgarh or India. Lot of training, internships we are having. Other than this, we are giving them platforms like GitHub, CodeChef, NVIDIA, which are new to any engineering students. And another thing, being a premier institute, we are having some additional features which the university does not emphasize on, like our students used to do a paper publication in their final year, which is mandatory for them in order to get engineering degree, which enhance their capability. They are also involved with projects and we are also motivating them to participate in different hackathons. We are providing them different hands-on experience, teamwork, hard work to perform different activities. So,
great, sir. Great, sir. So, here is my next question for you, sir. So, how do you try to bring in practical approach towards subject and make it industry oriented, sir? Over to you.
So, vocational training and internships provide the primary exposure to industry level learning. To provide industry oriented education, the approach of learning from an industry perspective is taught in the context of application of that knowledge to product design, development, and operations. A student is motivated when they get right opportunities and all the facilities. Currently, our focus is on innovative ways to make a student learn. We are motivating them to go for startups, not just placements in MNCs. Our target is to evolve. As the Innovation Center, we have facilities through which our students can focus better on their stream. Other than this, we are giving individual projects in each subject. We have very good lab setups which all essential requirements. Recently, we have got Idea Lab by AICT, which we are going to utilize for our students for different practicals and hands-on. GitHub, CodeChef, NVIDIA, Oracle Academy, all of these are some of the steps taken by our faculties and staff to motivate and make our student competitive. Regular competitions within our institute are used for our students and they also get chance to perform at state level. We have MOUs with many companies through which they get internship in the companies which they dream of. So,
great, sir. Great, sir. So my next question for you is, sir, what do you see as the greatest strength of Shankaracharya Raipur, sir? Over to you, sir.
So it's been 13 years since SSIPMT has evolved. We have a lot of achievements. Some of them are NBA accredited, NAC grading, ARIA ranking. SSIPMT is considered one of the premier institutes in Chhattisgarh. Recently, we have Idea Lab from AICT. Our institute has been verified to meet the ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System standard. Since its establishment in 2008, SSIPMT has been honored to have achieved outstanding university results. Actually, we have 5 Center of Excellence established. CSI student chapter are addition to our achievements. Other than this, we have IIT remote centers for organizing different conferences and workshops for our students and faculties. Placement records of our students are basically they have added colors to a rainbow. They are placed very well throughout the globe, and we have best placement records in Chhattisgarh. All the faculty and staff, their achievements, everything comes under achievements of SSIPMT. They are key to the success of institute as they are doing very well in the field of research, innovation, and the next target is to evolve with startups. When we talk about infrastructure, we have a well-maintained infrastructure over 17 acres of land. It comprises of nursing and science colleges. Now, considering the management of the institute, the core of any institute is the management. And if the management is not motivating, then it's difficult for the faculties and students to move ahead. Our management has always welcomed the new ideas of the faculties and students. They have given a platform where they can work, they can put their knowledge and get and achieve height in the present scenario. So thanks to the management that they have given an opportunity to show your talent, and this SSIPMT is a good platform for who wants to work and achieve height in future. So
Great, sir. Sir, since you have a very vast experience of teaching industry, so our last question for you with related to this only, sir. So any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students, sir? Over to you, sir.
So my advice to the future generation is that they must cope up with failure and learn from mistakes. Don't be too harsh on yourself if your expectations are lagging, and keep improving your skills. Think before you act. The simple but effective process of thought will help you avoid making critical mistakes that could cost you your freedom, education, or your life. Do not be a follower. Avoid being part of the crowd. Establish a set of values. Do something you are passionate about. You may or may not become a very good IT person, but being a good person is always in your head. And such kindness is known as the key to success. Plan and act in such a way that you don't have to rush for your life choices. And always be a lifelong learner. Listen, ask questions, and be curious. So, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It was really nice interacting with you. Thank you for your time, and looking forward for more interacting session from Shankaracharya Raipur in future as well, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.